In this video, you'll learn how to convert a Microsoft form into a PDF quickly and easily using tools that are already built into your browser. This is really helpful if you want to share your form with someone who doesn't need to fill it out online, or if you just want a snapshot of how it looks for record keeping, printing, or documentation. First, start by opening the form you want to convert in Microsoft Forms. Make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account and that you're on the main editing page of that specific form. This is the page where you can see your questions, add new ones, or change settings. Take a moment to check that everything in your form looks the way you want: the title, the description, the order of the questions, and any optional sections. Remember that whatever you see here is what will eventually be reflected in your PDF preview, so it's worth doing a quick review before you move on. Once your form is ready, the next step is to open the form preview. In Microsoft Forms, there's a preview option that lets you see what your respondents will see. Look for the preview button near the top of the page. When you click it, the form will switch into a clean, user-facing view, usually showing how it appears on a computer screen, and sometimes also giving you an option to see how it would look on a mobile device. The key is that you're now seeing the final public version of the form, not the editing tools. This preview view is what you want to convert into a PDF because it removes all the editing controls and focuses only on the content. Check it over one more time, scroll through the entire form, make sure questions aren't cut off in strange places, and confirm that everything looks readable and well spaced. If you notice any issues, you can go back to the editor, fix them, and then return to the preview. With the preview open and looking the way you want, you're ready to create the PDF. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+P. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+P instead. This keyboard shortcut opens the print dialog in your browser. Even though it's called a print window, this is also where you can save the page as a PDF. When the print dialog appears, look for the destination or printer option. By default, it might show your physical printer, but you'll want to change that. Open the list of available destinations and select the option that says Save as PDF or something very similar depending on your browser. You'll see a preview of how the form will look as a PDF on the side. Scroll through that preview to make sure everything fits nicely on the pages. If something looks off, you might adjust orientation between portrait and landscape or slightly change margins or scale so the form fits better. Once you're happy with the preview, click the button to save. Your browser will ask you where you want to store the file and what to name it. Choose a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and confirm the save. And that's it. You've converted your Microsoft form into a PDF that you can email, print, or archive whenever you need.